Hey guys, we have a short notice announcement. We have been kind of slacking on the YouTube, and I have a lot of videos still kind of to post. But we wanted to let you guys know we are going on the Freedom.
Carnival Freedom.
In 2 days, we leave on Saturday, so October 12th on an 8-day.
Yeah,
And
longest one we've ever done.
And the biggest stop that we've done is it's going to include Freeport, Nassau, the
Half Moon Key,
and
Key West.
And Key West. So there's been a lot of changes on Carnival, and the big one is we've heard about the paper straws and the edible straws. So we actually got so this is going to be my lanyard, but we got these new ones that are smaller, like tube, and it's metal, and then it has the straw, an extendable straw inside of it. But we're also going to take the ones that we took before just to kind of compare them.
I think these are still going to be my favorite.
Yeah, so we're going to see how they work out and do like an on-board comparison.
But we really love that Carnival's trying to
be more eco-friendly.
Yeah.
So other than that, we also have these ducks that we're going to be putting around the ship. So if anyone sees these videos before we actually go through and get on the ship, be on the lookout. We're going to be planting ducks around the ship.
This is my favorite one.
It's not even a duck.
It's not. It's a turtle.
I like turtles.
I like turtles. And this one's cool.
Yeah. Little unicorn. So that's what we want to let you guys know. So that's our big announcement. You'll see our Instagram is going to be more busy, and then we're going to we'll give the vlogging maybe more of a try this time and actually post some stuff up. So
I did not agree to this.
Well, she didn't. She totally didn't. But yeah. So with that, I'm Chris.
And I'm Sarah.
And this is How We Wander.